ki khubor ka Bathymmai TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ulampang jong ka yeng dorbar thau anyu ba medba lingdo haga lai phuwai tarik ubnai kala lingkot arajar arpuar ula pentep ba ka jingshna ya ka yeng dorbar thau an ka Bathymmai hamau diang New Shillong Township labu Thong ban Pyndep pura Hapoh ubnai Jylliew mentau snem arajar arpuar aga jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor uba medba lingdo ula ong badangshan ula shong jingyalang bat ki officer banya theria tai sani hakabaya dei bat ka jingshna yegane ka yeng dorbar thau an ka Bathymmai khamtam e hadin baka kam kala sa teng shipor naga daw ka jingsha penthut haga jingwan linshop jong ukhyang jingpang COVID-19.
Today we had the Executive Council of the CPA Zone 3, which comprises of the presiding officers of all the northeastern states, that means 8 states, the Meghalaya, Assam, Tripura, Manipur, Mizoram, Arunachal, and Assam, and Sikkim as well. The Executive Council today had a meeting here, which is basically used to be held every time, and the main agenda today in the CPA meeting is basically for finalization of the date of the CPA Zone 3 conference of all the northeastern states. So it was decided that this time the next conference of the CPA Zone 3 will be held in Itanagar in the second week of March, because the chairman of the CPA happens to be the Honorable Speaker of the Arunachal Pradesh. Apart from the CPA, we had also the Executive Council of the Native Star, which is the Northeast Regional Institute for Parliamentary Studies and Training and Research. Basically, this institution is in Khanapara and Guwahati. They have started the construction of the building long ago. It's been completed also, but the objective of setting up this institution in Northeast is basically to impart trainings, extend supports to all the legislators of the entire northeastern states assemblies, and also to the officials and of these assemblies. Because as of now, all the legislators of different states have to attend these training workshops, programs in Delhi only, in Lok Sabha. So we felt that this is the need of the hour, because of the distance, because of the location of things. So we felt that it's a high time that we should have our own training team here in Assam. So we decided that we should move a little fast on this matter, and which the Executive Council has authorized to initiate the matters at earliest. For me, being the president of the Native Star, and along with the appointed director today, Mr. Hemandas, who is the Principal Secretary of the Assam Legislative Assembly, will initiate how this institution is functioning at the earliest. We have also shared about that, but the subjects and agendas of the next CPA conference, which will be held in Itanagar, we had shared today, decided that all the speakers, the officers of the speakers of the northeastern states, will propose any kind of issues or subject concerning the interests of the people of its region can be discussed and addressed in that conference. You see, as of now, like in our state, we have already started the initiative for appointing those research fellows, which is more or less in line with that. But however, I mean, as far as the training is concerned, they are not entrusted with that kind of assignment. That still leaves it with the those officials which are from the Lok Sabha who have to do it. And for that matter, also we have already initiated that we will be recruiting some of the officers from Lok Sabha, some of them who have retired. They will be taken into account to see that they are also part of this training, sessions in Guwahati in this Nehru Star building. Now, paperless things I have said that they will come up only in the new assembly building. We have already initiated with how exactly is going to go. So hopefully, when the new assembly building is completed, we will move with that. The new assembly building is concerned. Last week we had a detailed review, and I would like to inform you that by end of June, everything will be completed. Testing and commissioning is 1 month time. Say entire month of July, which I see by end of July we can start. We expect all these things. Hopefully this time, this COVID again should not hamper. Though to some extent it has been delayed again. We have to review and fixing the date of completion of different items of works in the new assembly building. But I hope and pray that these, COVID again should not hamper the ongoing, construction of the building.